Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jasmine Danielle. I make all types of lifestyle content here on this channel, from vlogs to hauls to routine videos. So if you like that type of content, then definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, that way you know every time I upload a new video here on my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I really like these types of videos because they give me a lot of good ideas for like new recipes to try out, healthier recipes and things like that. I pretty much eat relatively healthy for the most part, but I am just trying to be more conscientious of what I am eating, and also trying to pay more attention to serving sizes and portion control, because those are my two biggest enemies against myself. So I'm trying to work on that, and I feel like over the last few weeks I have seen a significant improvement. I lost 7 pounds last month, and so that's just me eating and working out a little bit. So I may work out today as well, but I just wanted to share with you guys like a realistic what I eat in a day and what that looks like for me personally, as someone who's just trying to be more conscientious of eating, you know, better. I think that's where it has to start. You have to make a decision that you want to eat better, that you want to pay more attention to like what you're putting in your body, and kind of go from there. So this is going to be super realistic. It is Wednesday and I am working. I work from home. Obviously, if you follow me on my channel, then you've been knowing this, but if you're new here, I've been working from home full time since March due to COVID. So I would say that one of the best things about being able to work from home full time is definitely being able to pay more attention and being more mindful of the food that I am eating. So I think that's been really, really helpful. So yeah, so it's going to be very realistic. I'm just going to take you guys with me throughout the day, show you what I'm having. I'm actually about to have breakfast, but I'm having it a little bit, well, not really late. I typically like to eat breakfast between 8:30 and 9:30 in the morning. And right now it is 9:17 on the dot. Originally, I wanted to make like my staple breakfast, which is usually avocado toast and eggs, but I don't have time for that because I just randomly got a meeting for 9:30. So I need to make something quick before this meeting starts. So I'm just gonna make a smoothie, which is another one of my kind of go-to breakfasts. But yeah, I didn't really want that today. I was really looking forward to having this avocado toast, but I don't have time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna take you guys in the kitchen and we will go ahead and get started with the breakfast. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what I typically use in my smoothies. So my smoothies always consist of spinach. I then go in with some frozen banana and whatever frozen fruit I have on hand. So right now I'm just using up the rest of these mixed berries. I also add in some protein powder. I really like the Ollie plant-based protein powder. I'm using the salted caramel chocolate one today, but I also have the creamy peanut butter. They're both really, really good. So I definitely recommend those. And then what else? Oh yeah, then I just go in with my vanilla almond milk, and that's pretty much it. Sometimes I do use coconut water. It just depends on how I feel. I really like the coconut water, mostly with the like pineapple or mango, but almond milk any other time. And right here, I'm just showing you guys that I normally take some sort of juice shot every morning and my vitamins. So something else I wanted to point out real quickly is that I do, of course, drink tons of water throughout the day. I have always been an avid water drinker. I love water so much. I don't understand how people don't like drinking water. They're like, oh, it doesn't taste like anything. That's the point. It tastes fresh and it tastes clean. Like, that's what it's supposed to taste like. But I love water, and so I drink tons of water throughout the day. This is a 32-ounce bottle. I try to drink 3 of these on like a fantastic day. I could drink 3 of these, but I'm not gonna lie, I usually fall short. But yeah, 3 of these would be 96 ounces, so I aim to at least get 3 of those in. I fall short more times than not, but I really try my hardest to get as much of it in as possible. But yeah, I just wanted to hop in and say that real quick. I got a little snackish. So I got some of those brown rice crackers that I showed you guys. I got those from Aldi's. They're pretty good. I think this was the roasted red pepper flavor, some cherries, and then also the dip, which I realized I threw the container away before I could show it to you guys. But it's a like cauliflower, I think it was like roasted pepper, or I think it's green chili and pepper jack or something like that, cauliflower dip. It's really, really good. I get that from Aldi as well. So I literally just finished that. It's probably about 2 tablespoons worth, which is the serving size. The chips, I just finished that as well. The serving size for those little crackers, not chips, is 13 chips, and literally there were like 11 left in that box. And then I'm just having some cherries. So this is gonna be my little snack. It's almost 11:45 at this point, and I don't normally take my lunch break until 1. I was thinking though, I honestly don't know if I'm going to cook lunch or if I'm gonna order something, just because I don't feel like cooking lunch right now. That is the one thing about like working from home, is that like I make my lunch every single day, and it usually involves some type of cooking, because I'm not purchasing like a whole lot of processed, easy, quick meals. And even though like the things that I cook don't take a lot of time, I just don't think I feel like cooking right now at all. It'd be so much easier to just order something. So we'll see about that. So I'm just showing you guys that I did end up making lunch, and I just made a salad using these shrimp burgers from Trader Joe's. I see them talk about them all the time on the Black Girls in Trader Joe's page, so I'm so glad I finally got to try them. So good. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and make my lunch, and I just made a salad with one of those shrimp burgers from Trader Joe's. My first time ever trying it. It's really, really good. I definitely get the hype behind it now. But yeah, this salad's really good. I couldn't decide if I wanted ranch or sriracha, so I just ended up doing both. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my lunch, enjoy my little lunch break, and then back to work. I will probably see you guys again after work and whenever it's time for dinner. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day, and I'm just hopping on here to end the video. I totally did not film an outro last night. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, I did end up ordering out for dinner. It was National Wing Day, and I'm sorry, but you just cannot not have wings on National Wing Day. Like, hello. So I ended up ordering Buffalo Wild Wings for dinner last night, and I just ordered some boneless wings and these little pretzel things, and had some celery to go along with that, and it was really delicious. So even though I'm not sticking to any or following any one particular diet, I do feel like my diet does lean more towards like low carb. I really try not to have so much carbs, because carbs literally ruled my life forever. I love all the breads, I love all the pastas, I love all the grains, literally all of them. So I've really done a good job on scaling it back or finding better alternatives. So even like the bread, which I didn't show you guys the bread, but because I didn't make avocado toast, but the bread that I use for my avocado toast is actually a keto bread that they make at Aldi's. So it's completely grain-free, it's 100% keto. It has a lot of protein in it, and so just trying to find like other alternatives for things that I already like has been a huge help for me. So again, I'm not following any type of diet or plan, and my goal right now is just to have a better relationship with food, and just to make small changes that will, you know, overall lead to a more sustainable like lifestyle change. So that's what it's all about for me, and I enjoy these types of videos. So if you guys like this type of video, or if you want me to go into more detail about like my relationship with food and why I'm trying to change that and all of that, then feel free to give this video a big thumbs up. That way I will know you guys want to see more videos like this, and I will be happy to do that. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I literally just wanted to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.